Morning, friends. It is Sunday today, and we are continuing our series here at the Minimalist Mama on spring cleaning. Welcome, I'm Emily, and we have been working through my spring cleaning list each week here for the last 3 weeks. This is week 4. So I have this spring cleaning list that my friend Emily helped me put together, and you can download this and to join in at the link that's below in the description. But we have knocked out the whole house section, kitchen section, the living room, the office, and done a lot of decluttering along the way. And today my goal is to blitz through the bedrooms. And if I get really ambitious, maybe this week I can also knock out the bathrooms and do those 2 sections together in one video. So we will see, because last week just about killed me off doing the living room and the office together. So we'll see how it goes, but today we definitely have our work cut out for us. If you enjoy cleaning, decluttering, and organizing, definitely would love to have you around, so feel free to subscribe and stay for a while. And you can of course download your free checklist at the link that's below in the description. So without further ado, let's get going. On our list for today for the bedrooms are rotating and flipping the mattresses, cleaning out closets, changing over clothes from winter to spring and summer. Technically, I put cleaning out the closet on there twice. Don't know why I did that. And then washing all the bedding. I'm going to replace the shower curtain liner, reorganize the medicine cabinet. It just gets cluttered sometimes. Really scrubbing the shower, washing the toothbrush holder, cleaning the trash can, stuff like that you just forget about. And then wiping down the cabinets and walls, washing the shower curtain, and decluttering. Let's get going.
It's night in the city, and I'm on my way back home, humming on my favorite ditty, swinging like...
If you have laundry waiting for you, now is a great time to throw in a load or switch it over, or just play this video while you do some folding.
Your place is closer than mine. Why don't we go there and have some more wine? 'Cause life is for living. Let's see where this all might lead.
I usually don't put away Brian's clothes. He'll usually do that himself, but he just got back from a trip and has a lot of stuff to do, so I'm just cleaning up after him a little bit here. And I started something new with my laundry. I have a video from a few months back on how I simplified my laundry process, and I have simplified it even more to the point where now I don't do any sorting. I started this just to try to catch up one week when I was behind and just threw all the laundry in together, and I think I might keep doing this from now on because it's kind of awesome. So I was able to pull out a few things that are too small, a whole bunch of worn out socks of mine. Basically all my socks are covered in paint, and I'm gonna throw them away. And some more worn out socks. This hopelessly stained shirt is gonna get thrown out. Old washcloths that are also worn out. So one easy way to purge and declutter is to do it while you're doing your laundry. When you're sorting your clothes or in the folding stage, like I was just now, it's a perfect time to pull out anything that's too small, that needs to get donated or sold. Pull out stuff that is worn out and that's lived its life, and don't even bother with putting it back away if it's something that you don't need to keep. It's just a great way to get started on that process. Here here is a perfect example of how decluttering can actually reduce your cleaning, especially your cleaning time. Some studies suggest it can cut your cleaning and housework by at least 40%. I have so many things on here, knickknacks and all kinds of stuff, so I want to go dust it, but it is going to take me a while to move everything and clean everything. What I'm going to do before I get to cleaning and dusting is see what stuff actually needs to be here and what I can put away elsewhere. I decided I had too many picture frames and decorative objects on here, so I just simplified it a bit, and that's going to make it a lot easier to clean. And as much as I like having my makeup out, so it's handy to use, I can just tuck it in the top drawer of this dresser, and it's still handy, but it's all put away. Along with our closet project, we also did some other updates around our bedroom that I will show you at a later date. But one of the things I decided to change was the art around our bed. So I actually got these two prints. Technically they're wallpaper samples, and they were super affordable, and I love how they look in these frames. Sneak peek of Brian's closet, all redone. Video on organizing and decluttering the bathroom up here, so I'm not gonna go through these again because I know there's nothing left in there to get rid of or organize, so that stuff is good. But maybe we could take a look at this and tidy it a little bit, and then in here pretty much this is the same, but I could definitely tidy up my stuff a little bit. Yeah, just do a little maintenance tidy. I definitely found some eye drops that had expired in 2017, I think. So this was a little overdue. This is the mason jar I use as the toothbrush holder. It's handy because I can just pop it right in the dishwasher. We do have a half bathroom downstairs, so I did just pretty much a normal cleaning of that bathroom, but I did also wipe down the walls a little bit too. All I've done today is fold laundry. Anyway, I was gonna say, so as far as cleaning out the closets goes, since I put it on the list twice, I remembered what I meant by cleaning out the closet. The second time was to empty the closet in the boys' room and put all those totes into our storage room. I recently just did a big declutter and organization project of Brian's closet as part of our remodeling our closets project that's been going since January. End of January is when we started. But there's so much there, it's basically going to be its own video.
Boing, 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 hey, 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 boing, mommy, boing, boing. My turn, button, my turn, button, my turn, button, my turn.
No. Thank you. Yep, good job. Okay, so in this closet is empty in preparation for tearing this out soon. So everything's crammed into here. But I'm gonna try to arrange most of this stuff in our storage room now instead of in here, but I'm gonna have to work on the clothing situation and come up with a better solution for that. And then some of the bigger toys. It's another rainy day. Edison's home from school today, so hopefully I can have him try on some stuff and see if it still fits. Anything that I know for sure is too small or that I'm sure is not going to fit them when it gets colder in the fall, I'm just throwing it all in this laundry basket, and then I'm going to go through it and decide what stuff I'm going to keep to pass down to Bennett and what stuff I need to sell that Bennett's done with and what stuff just needs to be donated. Okay, so I know that this stuff is too small, which is why it's up here. So I'll have to go through this, pull out what things I would save, only things that are gender neutral basically, and then stuff from Edison that I think Bennett will wear. Maybe I'll look through this one a little bit, see if there's anything in here that Bennett might also wear, because I know there's a lot of shoes and sandals and things in there. So you like those pants?
Yeah, and do you want to know why I like them?
Yeah.
It's because they look just like my favorite cartoons cats. The Wild Kratts. They wear shorts just like these.
Yeah, they look like Safari Explorer pants.
Yeah, mine. Yeah,
Look at yours.
And great for the Amazon rainforest.
Yeah. here's a really helpful hack. So keep a bin or basket of some kind in the top of your kid's closet that's labeled too small, and then every time you find some clothes that they've grown out of, you can just toss them right in there, and then once it gets full, then you can deal with them. Edison's pajamas, sweatshirts, long sleeved, short sleeved, jeans, sweatpants, shorts, socks, Edison socks, Edison underwear, Bennett socks, random stuff, Bennett's pajamas, Bennett's short sleeved, long sleeved, sweatpants, shorts, and jeans, all in one drawer. Will change as he gets bigger, and then down here, here's all the clothes the next size up for Bennett. Okay, so here's the situation over here, is I'm trying to get all the baby stuff and clothes storage into here. Meanwhile, the closet project is ongoing, and Brian's tools are kind of everywhere. Long term, of course, I want some shelves in here and something much better, but at least for now I gotta get all this stuff in here. We don't have a basement that we can really store stuff in because it gets damp, nor do we have an attic that's usable, so we are pretty low on space to store off-season things. I have one tote of baby stuff that's gender neutral in case we have another baby, and then I have one tote of Edison's clothes that he's outgrown that I'm saving for Bennett to see if he'll fit into, and I have one little tote of maternity clothes for myself, and that is really it. Okay guys, that means the final task for my spring cleaning list is going through my closet here. And I'm going to save that for another video. So if you enjoyed spring cleaning with me, be sure to check out part 2 or part 1, and I will see you guys next week.